Hello everyone. So welcome back. In this video, we are diving into JShell, Java's interactive command line tool that makes it super easy to test Java code without setting up an entire project. For example, if I want to create a project or create a method or something like that, I'll need IDE for that. Suppose I create some VS Code or IntelliJ, any version of the IntelliJ community or free version. So for that, I need to start a project like uh, launch a new file or project, and then I need to write a code. But what happens in JShell is I can simply pass the argument in the command prompt, and it will give me the result. It's not for it's not useful for like big projects, but it is useful like interviews point of view or just simple testing, or it is easy to use at the beginner level. Okay, so if you are a beginner, must try this JShell, and it can help you to clear your concepts. Right? So, so to start with, JShell was introduced in Java 9, and it is also known as REPL, like Read Able Print View. It allows you to write and test Java code line by line, as I have previously mentioned, and you can see the result instantly in that. This is perfect for beginners, interview practice, or even quick algorithm testing. So what happens in industry level tester? If they want to test a developer, anyone who can use this JShell, if they want a quick instant result to know like what kind of error or output it gives, he or she can test in the JShell. Okay, so let's launch the JShell. We simply need command prompt in that. Okay, in the command prompt, we need to type JShell, and boom, the JShell is launched. So it is printing that welcome to JShell, version is 21. Because in my laptop I have Java version 21. So for using JShell, you need to install the Java 9 or above version. Okay. So there are some useful JShell commands like this help. When you print help, it will give you the number of commands which you can use in the JShell. We have read, we have drop, we have save. Save means it will save your session. The command run like save, and you have to enter your file name in that. Open variable type. So let's start with our favorite. What we can say? System dot out dot println. So let's just start with hello world, because everyone starts with hello world in any programming language. Array, what is happening with my keypad? See, as you can see, we have printed the hello world statement. Okay, so if I want to pass a variable, see, we have initialized, and it will also give you an error. Suppose if I haven't passed the semicolon in it, it will give you. Okay, okay, it's not giving me an error, but if I write the statement without semicolon, it will give me an error. So my keyboard has gone mad today. See, we got an error. Symbol method println Java lot lang cannot find symbol. So that's the point of. So let's start with mini demo. In this, we'll try to execute the reverse string program. So for that, first we need to pass a string. Just simply pass hello in it. Hello string. Then we'll initialize the reverse. String builder str. String. Then we'll print the string. Let's see. We have hit enter. We got an error. We cannot find a symbol. Where we cannot find a symbol. Symbol class string. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, what is happening with the program? Okay, anyway, we'll try with if and else statement. So, if A is greater than B, system dot out dot println A is greater. Else system dot out dot println See, we got an output. In the A, we have stored 2. In B, we have stored 6. So, if we debug the command, if A is greater than B, since A has 2, so the if command will not execute it. This will be false statement. So, it jumps into the else statement. B is greater. Since B is storing the 6, 6 is greater than 2. So, our output is B is greater. So this is how we have used JShell. That's it for the JShell basics. Try it out next time you're learning Java or need a quick taste. In the next video, we'll show how to install Postman and starting testing APIs. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe this channel. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video.